Hi everyone, welcome to Wild Puzzle.
Can you solve this within 10 seconds? If you solve before me, comment your answer. Now, let's try to solve together, applying different pattern. In first equation, 3 plus 5 plus 2 equals 10. That's wrong, so it's not simple addition. Let's try another pattern for first equation. 3 plus 5 minus 2 equals 6. Wow, that's correct. Now apply same pattern on second equation. 4 plus 6 equals 10 minus 1 equals 9. Oops, that's wrong, because in second equation we have 11, not 9. Then what's the solution? Now comes to final solution. The pattern behind these equations is take square of first number, then subtract second number, and add the third number in it. Let's apply and check this pattern. In first equation, square of 3 minus 5 plus 2 equals 9 minus 5 plus 2 equals 6. Now check it on second equation. Square of 4 minus 6 plus 1 equals 16 minus 6 plus 1 equals 11. Similarly, we solve equation 3. Now we solve final equation to find the answer. Square of 7 minus 2 plus 3 equals 49 minus 2 plus 3 equals 50. So the correct answer is 50. Did you get it before me? Tell in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe Wild Puzzle for more brain boosters and puzzle challenges.